is really the best way when this is a highly technical thing. We don't want to be scientific, you don't want to be us. We don't want to be us. So use those things. A quick draw, a COVIA, quick draw or SIA. Video is a great way of showing people visually something that's a little bit more complex.
Dr. Michaels, I don't think we have much left to say, but you know, I start a little more basic, and listen, I want all of you to understand that you don't even have to understand most of what we're talking about here. But most people don't really realize how powerful their bodies are at the cellular level at repairing all kinds of really nasty problems and at even preventing them in the first place. So I start out the conversation with saying, do you know how powerful your body is at protecting and repairing at the cellular level from even really nasty things? And I might be sitting there talking to somebody who I know is very ill, and I tell them that those mechanisms are very powerful. Within the last 20 years, we've learned a lot about how that works. And this company has discovered a way to make an essential ingredient in that process. And it really doesn't matter what's wrong with that person. Everything that goes wrong with the human body has a cellular basis. It all starts with cells, and our bodies are made up of trillions of cells. And every second, there are millions of chemical reactions going on in those cells, and all of those reactions are in one way or another dependent on redox signaling molecules for coordination. So I say that whole system just falls apart and falls into chaos when you don't have enough of these, and that's why you get sick. And if you just drink this stuff a couple times a day, you can turn chaos into order, and guess what? You're gonna have happen over the next 2, 3, 4 months if you try this product. Your body's going to come into balance, your cells are going to get healthy, and you're going to feel a lot better. So I'd recommend that you try it.